Hi everyone, I'm Lena and I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to talk about how we get energy from food. So we're going to start today's lesson with a question. How does food give us energy? So the food, when we eat and then observe it, there will be some energy getting into our body so that we can do many activities. So inside our body, there are systems that help us to observe the energy. This is called the digestive system. So in this listen to how I spell it, digestive system. So this one is a system that helps in our body that helps us to digest the food and absorb the energy from it. So now we're going to talk about the different parts in this digestive system. So the first place that the food goes through is our mouth. Well, when we eat, we put the food inside our mouth, and teeth play a very important role, helping to mix the food with some saliva, and then it will help it to digest easier. Now, after the food is done, after we eat it, it will go down this long tube into the stomach. And then when it's in the stomach already, it will be mixed with some juices that help to digest it. And then it will go from the stomach to the small intestine. These are like small tubes, but they are really long and get curled up inside here. So the food will be mixed with more juices, and then the food particle will like get up into the bloodstream, and the blood will get more energy from the food. And some of the food inside here, it will go through the large intestine. Well, this one is where the food that is digested go to after they stay in the small intestine. But these big intestine, they are not as long as the small ones, but they're actually bigger. So some of the food that can't digest will stay in will go out as waste. So the food, they can turn into like energy for us so that we can do many activities. So they go through a system called digestive system and turns into energy for your body. Well, that's all about my presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.